guys, what's up? So today we are going to be using some new Moda brush duo sets to create this look that I have on my eyes. So if you would like to see those Moda brushes as well as this makeup tutorial, then just stay tuned. All right, you guys, so Moda brushes are releasing these duo sets. Each set comes with 2 brushes. They are vegan, cruelty-free, excellent for wet or dry product. They have waterproof silk touch handles. They have professional quality filaments. And you guys, Moda brushes has everything you need to complete your makeup look. All right, so I want to show you guys the brush duos. And some of these brushes are going to be a little bit dirty because I did use them in today's look, which I have already filmed. But the first duo is the Blur and Blend duo. It comes with a medium blur brush as well as a large blur brush. And these are going to give you a flawless finish. You can easily blend, buff, and blur your complexion to perfection. Next duo is the Complexion Perfection duo. And this comes with a mini buffer as well as a mini powder brush. And you guys, this blended out my concealer and my powder like a dream, and it literally just did the work for me. Next duo is the Big Blender duo, and this comes with a detail brush as well as a crease brush. This is going to allow you to achieve that perfect blend on your eye. Next, we've got the Au Naturel duo, and this has a brow groomer as well as an eyeshadow shader. This duo right here is perfect for the natural girlies who like to leave the house with a brow on and just a tiny bit of shadow. Last but not least, we've got the Bold Beauty duo. This comes with a triad eyeshadow brush as well as a glam topper. And this duo is for my bold beauties out there, the ones who like a metallic shadow or a glitter. That glam topper is perfect to pack that onto the eye. Now that I've shown you all the Moda brush duos, let's jump into the makeup tutorial. All right, so first what we're going to start out with is the brows. And to do the brows, I'm going to be using the Au Naturel duo. This includes a brow groomer as well as a shader brush. And this brow groomer has an angled tip on one end and then a spoolie on the other. So that'll be perfect to really groom, tame those hairs, and then also apply product. So this has such a sharp angle that it is just perfect to create little hair-like strokes or a more defined looking brow. And then you can just use that spoolie that's right on the other end. All right, so now that our brows are done, we're gonna go in with the Blur and Blend duo. This has a medium blur brush as well as a large blur. I think what I'm gonna do is use the larger one for foundation and the medium blur for like a cream contour. And this brush is slightly angled, so it fits on the face perfectly. And now I'm taking that medium blur brush and just kind of blending out this contour that I put down. All right, so now to do my concealer and my powder, I'm gonna be using the Complexion Perfection duo, and this comes with a mini buffer, which I'm gonna use for the concealer, and then a mini powder, which I will be using for the powder. And this is a perfect shape to get right underneath your eye. All right, so I've just got my concealer on the back of my hand here, and I am just buffing that out using that mini buffer. Then taking our mini powder, I am just setting everything in place. And this is really the perfect little size powder brush to get into those really tight spaces or really pack the powder into little areas or crevices of the face. And the mini powder brush can also be used for a powder contour, bronzer, blush, or highlight. All right, so now I'm gonna dip back into this Au Naturel duo. I'm gonna use the angle brush that we used on our brows. I cleaned it off a little bit, and I'm going to apply my eyeshadow primer with this. I want a very thin line of this, and this is the best brush to apply that with. Then we're gonna take the shader from that same duo, and I'm just gonna blend this out a little bit. Now I'm gonna use the Big Blender duo. This comes with a detail brush as well as a crease brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use both of these to start applying my eyeshadow. We are also going to be using the Bold Beauty Duo, which comes with a triad eye. I love this brush. It's kind of a triangular shape, so it fits perfectly into the crease. And then it also comes with a glam topper. This is one of my favorite tools from Moda. It is so perfect for picking up glitter and packing it onto the eye. So we will be using this duo as well. All right, so like I said, this brush fits perfectly into those tight little spaces of the eye. It is such a great brush. Okay, so not only is this glam topper perfect for glitter, but it's also perfect for those metallic, shimmery shades. You can literally just lay it flat into your palette, and there is the metallic shimmery shadow. I am just going to apply this right here on my eye. I also feel like whenever I use the glam topper to apply metallic or shimmer shadows, I'm getting the truest payoff. It's true to color, it's true to pigment, because there's no bristles to kind of hold on to that shadow, and it just applies directly from this silicone tip straight to the eye. All right, so now I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter to this look using that glam topper. And as you can see, it just picks up the glitter with ease. Just gonna apply some liner to this look. And repeat that same color scheme on the lower lash line. And then I'm just gonna add a cute little wing liner, literally winged. And very fitting for this look, I'm applying Angel Lashes from Beat Gang Lashes. And I do have a code with this brand if you would like to save some money. I don't make anything from that code. It's specifically just for you. And then one more application of glitter right there. And this is the final look using the Moda Brushes Duos. I just want to say a big thank you to Moda Brushes for sending me all of these duos to try out. You guys be sure to go check out Moda Brushes. They have something for everyone, and I do have a code that you can use that I do make a little bit of money on. So if you would like to save some money as well as help me out, I will drop that code below as well as put it on the screen for you here. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this makeup look using the new Moda Brush Duos. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.